So this is the second part of the cow catcher tutorial. If you did not watch the first part, make sure you go ahead and do so you can make the base of the cow catcher. In this part, I'm going to show you how to make the pegs in the back. It's very easy to do. And mainly we're going to be looking at this drawing, which is giving us a detailed view of the pegs over here and the location of the pegs back here. So let's start off by identifying the diameter of the pegs. And the diameter can be found right here. It has a diameter of 0.125 inches. That's typical, which means it can be assumed for each one of them. And they're extruded out 0.125 inches. Now the location is what's going to become really important here. These two bottom pieces are 1.25 inches from each other, but from the centers, they are 0.275 inches from the side and 0.125 inches from the bottom. So let's go ahead and break that down. I'm going to start a new 2D sketch on my back surface, and I'm going to start off by drawing 3 circles that are 0.125 inches. And let's go ahead and dimension them from here. So my two bottom pieces are 1.25 inches from each other. So go to dimension, 1.25. And they're 0.275 inches from the side. Let's try that one again. Doesn't want to select that one. It's okay. And then it's 0.125 inches from the top. And this dimension should already be 0.275 from the side since we have these two dimensions already here. It automatically does it for us. So it would be a driven dimension if we tried to actually put in a number. Now let's look at the top one. It looks like it is 0.625 inches from the bottom of the part. So dimension from here to here, 0.625, we are pretty close. And 0.625 inches from the center of each peg. Let's go from here to the center. And it looks like we're already good there. The reason why it's not letting us do this is because we have this line that popped up here when we were making it. Let's try that again. There we go, 0.625. If that happens to you, just go ahead and delete it. All right, so now we're ready to extrude out the pegs. And the extrusion for those is 0.125 inches. And the only other thing we have to add is the 0.01 inch chamfer. So let's right click and finish the sketch. Click E on your keyboard to extrude and click on each one of your pegs. Type in your extrusion amount to be 1.125, click enter. And let's add on the chamfer. So 0.01 inches and click this edge, and this edge, and then say okay. All right, so now it's time to check the volume. Feel free to check your work here. Just go to File, iProperties, Physical, and Update. And if your volume is 0.266, then you are correct, and you can move on to the next part. Thank you for watching.